YouTube, how you doing? It's Leslie. Thank you for watching. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you are new here, welcome, and please do consider clicking that subscribe button below. I'd love to have you as part of my family. I have a double whammy today, but it's going to be cut into two separate videos, but I have my Stitch Fix and I have my Nadine West. So I'm going to unbox both of them this evening for you, but we're going to start first with Nadine West, the little pink, bright pink package. I'm wearing the Nadine West dress that I got last month in March, so we'll see what they sent me in April, because I actually really do like this dress. It's super comfortable, but I priced down this time, so we'll see what they sent me, and I'm really excited to find out. Nadine West, really quickly, similar to Stitch Fix, but not quite. You get, I think you get 1 or 2 jewelry items and 1 or 2 pieces of clothing. You can keep them. You get charged for what you keep. You send back what you don't. And then it only costs initially up front like $9 and something cents for the shipping. But if you click the link below and start your first Nadine West by clicking that link below and using that particular code, you can actually get your first Nadine West package without the initial shipping fee, so it would be free. So go ahead and find that link below to do that. But here is what I've got in my Nadine West. So looks like that's green. So we'll see what this is. Here's my return label, and here is the prices of what I got. Now, I priced down, I thought between $10 and $20, but I see 2 $30 items on here, so don't know what that's about. But okay, let's find out what we got. So they do a really cute job of packaging everything with the little pink wrapping and sticker. This got bent a little bit here, not the jewelry itself, but the stock card got bent. But this looks like it's a necklace. And I'll come in a little bit closer in a second, but this looks like it's the Delicate Branch necklace in gold, and this is $29.99. So this is one of the $30 items. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's very delicate, little charm, looks like it's the brand. It's kind of like a branch, and it's $30. Yeah. So $29.99 for this. Very delicate. I kind of go for a little bit more bold than that. So that will be going back, I'm pretty sure. Now we're going to look at a pair of earrings. Also in the little pink package. And that's what the earrings are like. They do not have a brand name on them. Teardrop wire gold. These are $16.99. They're a little thin. I mean, they're not heavy. They're sturdy, but not heavy, but thin. Okay, so that's what they look like. I'm not bowled over by these either, especially for the price of $16.99. Pretty sure these will be going back as well. This is a buttoned down top in olive. This is $26.99. So let's see. Oh, look at that little side button detail. It's tunic-y, which is like kind of really what I like. I like tunic flowy tops. And it looks like it might be 3/4 length sleeve, and that little button down detail is kind of cute, and it's $26.99. Okay, and then here is a stud tee in black. Ooh, look at that. Look at that little detail on the pocket. And this is $19.19. This is $19.19. So this is probably a little bit more up my alley. I like this. It's like black and, oh wait, one of the studs is all turned around weird. I wonder if they're gonna come off when they're getting washed, because they're on there really, really, like, I don't know. They're sewn on there kind of weird. The last thing I would want is for them to come off in the wash or whatever. But it looks like this brand name is Bozzolo. It's a medium, $19.19, and this one is Messia, and it's a small. I don't know why it's a small. Well, let me go ahead and try these on and see what I think. So I have the first top on. It is a size small, but it doesn't look like it's so small. And of course it does have the 3/4 length sleeves. Like I said, it's got an asymmetrical hem. I have leggings on. I already had leggings on over anyway, so I just put the leggings on underneath. But it's an okay top. Here, let me pull out my necklace so you get the full effect. This is the necklace I was wearing before. It's okay. It's cute. A little bit, I don't know if this is something that I would necessarily just, if I was in a department store or something, pull off the shelf and really be like, oh, I love this. It's okay, just okay. And especially for the price, I think it was $26 something, $26.99. I don't know. If I like the other studded top, I'm going to keep that other studded top instead of this one. So let me go and run and put that one on. Okay, so here is the studded top. And it fits just like a regular t-shirt. It doesn't really have any kind of tunic-y look to it, but I really do like it. I definitely will wear it. Maybe not with this in the way, but I will wear it. It's just a nice little black t-shirt with a little bit of an oomph, a little bit of a something extra, and it'll be nice for the spring, for the summer, and it's totally just my style. It's really my style, and it's my price too, $19. So yeah, I think that we have a winner right here. Thank you, Nadine West. I just hope these little studs stay on. They don't look like they're the sewn on the best, but hey, you know what? It is what it is. But this is a really cute shirt, so I'm excited about this one. Thank you, Nadine West. Okay, so I'm back. I'm wearing my shirt, of course. This is the keeper that I'm keeping. And okay, so as far as final thoughts about this particular Nadine West shipment, of course I loved this shirt, so in the feedback I will let them know more of this kind of thing, please. I did not hate this shirt, but I didn't love it either, so that's why it's going back. The jewelry I can do without. I have a feeling that I probably won't be buying Nadine West jewelry. Just thank you for watching my Nadine West unboxing, unpacking, whatever you want to call it. Please do click the link below so that you can start your first Nadine West shipment for free. All right, take care and watch my April Stitch Fix unboxing. Bye-bye.